what it is that makes me tick. What you wish you did. You always second guess and wonder if I say yes, but you just lose out every time. If you only knew what I talked about when I'm with my friends, just hanging out, then you'd have the inside scoop on what to say, what to do. That way when you play the game, baby, you can never lose. Oh, you wish that you could be a freaky little sneaky little. All my precious secrets here, you know them all. Don't you wish that you could be a fly on the wall? Love to know things to do when I'm with my friends, not with you. You always second guess, wonder if there's other guys flirting with. You should know by now. If you were my boyfriend, I'd be true to you. If I make a promise, I'm coming through. Don't you wish that you